Public art is definitely meant for people who are maybe not comfortable to like in those fine art kind of contemporary spaces. That's why I like mural art. People feel like a sense of ownership over it because they see it on their walk to work every day or on their way home.
Hi, my name is Natalie Verity, and I created the winning submission for the Confederation Steps. I would like the visitors to Confederation Park to be able to respond to the art in a way that is very personal. As people visit the artwork and experience it, they can connect to their own memories of nature. If you do that every day, you have a spark of something very positive that can continue to be with you.
It's kind of a weird thing to say, but like I don't leave much room for like a ton of last minute creative decisions to be done. I guess that's built from like being a mural artist. I'm never just going up to a wall and just starting a painting, right? It's like a very set design. So I guess that's kind of like come into the fine art kind of practice.
Hi, I'm Ashlyn Mundy. I'm the winning artist for the York Street Steps. Public art can kind of change how you view a city and how you're walking through an area that you've walked every day to your job, to your school, home, can be like just brightened and changed by something added.
It definitely feels like, oh, it's doing it for the people and it's not just someone coming into a gallery and buying a super expensive piece of art that's hanging in their house and it's just their private. Yeah, there's a sense of like it's actually something for the community, and it's like in public art kind of should speak on the behalf of like the people who live around it. I guess the main thing is to have a piece that like complements the site that it's in, and just having a piece that like looks like is visually kind of legible up close and at a distance.
I wanted to make sure that the overall image and the colors were working in a way that it's recognizable as a landscape.
I would hope that people see it as positive and colorful, and I guess something that's just to be uplifting.
I definitely want them to just take in the whole piece and walk up the staircase several times, yeah.